from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Former Henrico Doctors Hospital NICU nurse is granted bond, and some students at one local school participate in the amazing shake. We'll tell you all about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, February 14th, 2025. Sunny but cold, going up to a high of 42. Today's News Minute is brought to you by DJ's Auto Details.
And now for the news.
The former Henrico Doctors Hospital neonatal nurse who was charged with abusing a baby in the NICU unit last year was granted a $25,000 secured bond on Wednesday in Henrico Court. Erin Stratman was placed on several conditions, including that she must wear a GPS monitor, must stay at her parents' house, may not provide services as a healthcare professional, and may not be in the presence of minors or vulnerable adults, among several other conditions. The judge granted the bond after Stratman had undergone a mental health evaluation. You can read more at our website, henricocitizen.com, from our partners at WTVR-TV. And today on henricocitizen.com, join our Report for America education reporter Leanna Hardy as she takes a look at a unique program at Our Lady of Lourdes Catholic School in Henrico. It's designed to help 6th and 7th graders hone their people skills. It's called the Amazing Shake, and it's a competition for talents that are many times overlooked, like being able to hold a conversation with a stranger, look them in the eye, shake their hand, and shake off your own nerves, as well as be confident in what you are saying. It was the third year that the school has hosted the event, which was created at the Ron Clark Academy in Atlanta, which is a nonprofit middle school and educator professional development facility. You can check out this article right now on our website. The Henrico Education Foundation will host its 5th annual Excellence in Education celebration on April 10th from 6 to 8:30 p.m. at the Science Museum of Virginia. The event will highlight the importance of health, wellness, and workforce readiness for Henrico students and the broader community. Sponsors and attendees will have the opportunity to engage with career development programs and the organization's Life Ready Solutions initiatives. You can learn more and find a link to tickets and sponsorship options right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. And the Virginia General Assembly recently passed a measure prohibiting health insurance carriers from imposing cost sharing for diagnostic and supplemental breast examinations. The passage came after 3 consecutive attempts from Delegate Shelley Simons of Newport News. House Bill 1828 is recommended this year by the Health Insurance Reform Commission. The bill aims to tackle secondary screenings like MRIs, ultrasounds, and more detailed types of screenings for abnormal mammograms. The proposed legislation could have an annual fiscal impact of about $500,000 because diagnostic breast examinations are not covered, according to the bill's fiscal impact statement. The bill passed both chambers unanimously. More than 30 dogs and cats are awaiting new homes at the Henrico Animal Shelter, and this Valentine's Day, maybe you want to take a look and maybe take one home. You can visit our website and check out our weekly Henrico Fur Finder to see pictures of each one of them. And if you're interested, then you can call to make an appointment to visit the shelter at 10421 Woodman Road in Glen Allen. It's open Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. by appointment only. You can call 727-8807 to learn more. And it's Friday. That means before you head out on that Valentine's Day dinner date or anywhere else this weekend, you want to check out our weekly restaurant watch. It gives you health inspection reports from Henrico dining establishments. You can also check out our weekend top 5 with a list of 5 great things happening around the county today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Hope you have a great day and a great weekend. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by DJ's Auto Details. From gleaming exteriors to pristine interiors, they provide expert care to make your car shine like new. Trust them for quality, convenience, and unbeatable results. You can book today at djsautodetails.com or call them at 804-499-0674.